This is the 6th video of Paintbrush tutorial, and let's draw a picture together. I'm going to draw a picture using the tools in the tools box and show you guys how to use them at the same time. And this is the picture we're going to draw. A very cute and colorful pig. So in this video, we'll only finish drawing the outline of the pig, and the next video, we'll finish the color in the background part. So let's get started. The first thing we have to do is to create a new layer, because our image shouldn't be at the same layer as the background. So the first tool I'm going to use and introduce is the pencil. How you use it is just hold your left click and then move your mouse. But it's not very useful because we can't change the size or color of it. So in this picture, we won't use it. The first tool I'm going to use is the Paintbrush. It's the most common used tool for drawing. How it works is the same as the pencil, but the difference is that you can change how big is the paintbrush. For example, if I resize my paintbrush to 70, then my paintbrush will be super big. And another thing is the hardness. Hardness means how hard your paintbrush is. For example, if my hardness is 100, then my line will look very hard and clear. But if I resize it to 0, my line will look very soft and faded, like a spray. So let's use the size 35 and the hardness 50 to draw the ears and the face outline. And then we change the paintbrush size to 40 to draw the eyes. Just click and click. Then our eyes is finished. Next, we're going to work on the nose. As you can see, our nose is a perfect round shape because it's using the shape tool. How it works is the same as the selection tool. Just hold the left click and move your mouse. Now we're at the rectangular version. We can change the shape we want at here. Because the nose of the pig is round, so we choose circle. Next to it, we can choose our shape looks. For example, the shape now only shows the outline. We can change it to only show the filled shape, or show both the outline and the filled shape. And let's take a look at the colors window. There are primary color and secondary color. Primary color will be used for the tools that needs one color, which is almost every tool, but the secondary color is only for the tools that may need more than one color. For example, the outline may be the primary color. Color that filled in is the secondary color. You can swap the primary color and the secondary color by just click the little icon here. So let's draw the outline of the nose. The last tool I'm going to introduce today is the line and curve tool. Let's go to a blank canvas. How it works is also hold and drag. And when you move the cursor on the line, you can see some little points, and you just hold your left click and drag. Then you can have a curved line. You can also change a paintbrush width here. Another very cool thing is that you can choose the style of your line. For example, it can be flat, a row, filled a row, or rounded. And the style of the line's body can also change. And now we can use this tool to finish the nose. And the outline of the pig is finished. And this is the end of today's video. If you have any question, just comment down below, and hope you enjoy it. Bye!